Join me as I navigate standby travel from Houston to Germany. I decided at the last minute to try flying standby to Germany, which made packing a little bit more complicated. There's so many things to consider: the weather, how long I might be gone, and the fact that I couldn't risk checking a bag without knowing whether I would actually get on the flight. So I've traveled standby domestically before, but never internationally. So I wanted to keep everything light and easy to carry, and also within the airline's overhead bin and personal item requirements. I think later I'll create another video that will go into more detail about the essentials you should pack when flying standby, but because I'm short on time, I'll focus on the basics for this trip. I packed my essential toiletries, a couple of outfits, and 2 pairs of comfortable shoes, one where I can walk through the airport and another stylish pair while I'm exploring Germany. Now that I have all my essential packing out of the way, cannot forget my laptop. It allows me to be able to work while I'm on the road, as well as provide myself some form of entertainment while I'm sitting in the airport. Can't forget my Bose speakers, and cannot forget my government ID and my passport. I will not be able to leave the country without it. I'm Nichele. I'm rebuilding my life around travel, creativity, design, and experiences that push me outside of my comfort zone. This is my first time documenting what that journey really looks like, and this trip felt like the perfect place to start. By the end of this video, you'll see how standby travel actually works, what happens when your seat isn't guaranteed, and whether the savings are really worth the stress. I'm rushing to catch a flight to Germany on standby. I do not have a confirmed seat. Wish me luck. Okay, so we're looking at the flight status, and there are no seats in United Polaris Business, no seats in United Premium Plus, and just a few seats in United Economy. I am number 1 on the standby list. We'll see what happens. Normally, I like knowing what to expect, but standby travel guarantees nothing. Even open seats can disappear at the last minute. The challenge was about more than reaching Germany. It was about how I respond when nothing is guaranteed. Trying taught me more than staying home ever could. You can prepare, but eventually you have to take the chance.
Deutschland, ich komme.
Hey, I'm on my way. This story is only the beginning. Subscribe to my channel if you are also trying to build a life with more clarity, creativity, courage, and adventure. Next, I'm sharing what happened after this challenge. I would love for you to join me.